Your kidneys work hard every single day, filtering out toxins and keeping your body balanced. But after 60, many people begin to notice changes in kidney function, often leading to rising creatinine levels. High creatinine can make you feel tired, swollen, or even put you at risk of serious health problems. The good news? Nature has given us powerful vegetables that support your kidneys naturally. In today's video, we'll explore 7 vegetables proven to help lower creatinine levels and cleanse your kidneys. Perfect for seniors seeking safe, natural remedies. 1. Cucumber. Cucumber is one of the best vegetables for kidney health, especially after 60 when your body becomes more sensitive to water balance. This refreshing vegetable is made up of over 95% water, which helps flush out toxins and excess creatinine from your bloodstream. Cucumber also contains potassium and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support smoother kidney function. Seniors often struggle with water retention or swelling, but cucumber's natural diuretic effect encourages healthy urine output and helps relieve pressure on the kidneys. Its cooling properties are gentle on the digestive system, making it an easy addition to daily meals, whether in salads, juices, or simple snacks. Research shows that consistent cucumber intake can improve hydration, prevent kidney stones, and reduce uric acid buildup. Unlike processed foods that strain the kidneys, cucumber provides hydration and detoxification in the most natural way. Adding just a few slices daily can make a noticeable difference in maintaining stable creatinine levels. 2. Carrots. Carrots are more than just a vision-boosting vegetable. They're a kidney-friendly powerhouse for seniors concerned about creatinine levels. Packed with beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants, carrots help protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage, a common issue with aging. Their fiber content supports the body's natural detox process, helping remove waste more effectively. Carrots also contain compounds that aid in balancing blood sugar levels, which is crucial since diabetes is a leading cause of kidney disease. For seniors over 60, this double benefit, supporting both blood sugar and kidney health, makes carrots an essential vegetable to include regularly. Juicing carrots or adding them to soups provides a gentle way to nourish your kidneys without adding strain. Carrots are also naturally alkaline, meaning they help neutralize excess acids in the body that can damage kidney function. By promoting better circulation and reducing inflammation, carrots ensure your kidneys filter more efficiently, lowering the workload and helping maintain healthy creatinine levels naturally. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green loaded with nutrients that directly support kidney health and overall wellness after 60. Rich in iron, folate, vitamin C, and magnesium, spinach provides essential nutrients that aging kidneys often struggle to retain. Its natural antioxidants fight oxidative stress, protecting delicate kidney cells from damage. Spinach also supports blood pressure regulation, which is key since high blood pressure can worsen kidney function. Seniors often benefit from spinach's high fiber, which aids digestion and reduces toxin buildup in the bloodstream, easing the kidney's filtration process. One of spinach's hidden strengths is its plant-based nitrates, which promote better circulation and oxygen flow to the kidneys. Including spinach in daily meals, whether lightly steamed, blended into smoothies, or added to soups, helps provide steady nourishment without overloading the kidneys. Regular intake may even help reduce creatinine accumulation by encouraging natural detox pathways. Spinach is a simple, affordable, and accessible vegetable that plays a big role in cleansing and rejuvenating kidneys naturally. 4. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, also known as lauki, is a traditional kidney-healing vegetable widely used in natural medicine. Its high water content and soothing properties make it especially beneficial for seniors dealing with elevated creatinine levels. Bottle gourd acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging urine flow and helping remove waste and toxins more efficiently. It's gentle on the stomach and helps reduce acidity, supporting overall metabolic balance. For people over 60, who may experience fatigue and fluid retention due to kidney stress, bottle gourd provides a cooling, light option that hydrates without burdening the kidneys. It also helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, two factors closely tied to kidney wellness. Drinking freshly prepared bottled gourd juice in moderation can significantly help in lowering creatinine levels naturally. Its potassium and fiber further assist in maintaining electrolyte balance. This humble vegetable, often overlooked, has been a staple in traditional diets for centuries because of its unmatched kidney cleansing benefits. 5. Beetroot. Beetroot is a vibrant vegetable with powerful benefits for kidney health, especially for seniors seeking to lower creatinine levels. Rich in nitrates, beetroot improves circulation and oxygen supply to the kidneys, supporting their filtering ability. Its antioxidants, including betalains, help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can worsen kidney damage. For people over 60, beetroot offers an energy boost by improving blood flow and supporting red blood cell production, often compromised in kidney issues. Its natural detoxifying properties stimulate the liver and kidneys to work more efficiently, flushing out excess toxins and waste. Drinking beetroot juice or adding cooked beets to salads can make it easy to incorporate daily. Seniors with high blood pressure will find beetroot especially useful, as it naturally helps lower hypertension, reducing strain on the kidneys. While moderation is key due to its natural oxalate content, regular small servings of beetroot can contribute greatly to maintaining balanced creatinine levels and overall kidney vitality. 6. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that provides multiple benefits for kidney health. Packed with phytochemicals, fiber, and vitamins C and K, cabbage supports natural detoxification and helps protect kidney tissues from damage. It is low in potassium compared to many other vegetables, making it particularly safe for seniors with kidney concerns. Its compounds support liver function, which works hand in hand with the kidneys to cleanse the body. Cabbage also helps reduce cholesterol and inflammation, both of which can negatively affect kidney function. Seniors benefit from its ability to promote better digestion and prevent constipation, indirectly easing the workload of the kidneys. Steamed or lightly cooked cabbage is easy to digest, and its antioxidants fight free radicals that often contribute to kidney strain. For individuals looking to lower creatinine, cabbage provides a low-sodium, nutrient-rich option that aids in flushing out waste naturally. Including cabbage regularly in soups, stir-fries, or salads supports healthy kidneys and a cleaner internal system. 7. Radish. Radish is a simple yet highly effective vegetable for supporting kidney function naturally. With its strong detoxifying properties, radish stimulates the kidneys and encourages better elimination of waste, helping reduce creatinine levels. It contains compounds that protect kidney tissues while also reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Seniors benefit from radish's ability to promote healthy digestion, lower blood pressure, and balance blood sugar, three factors that strongly impact kidney health. Radish is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it safe for people with reduced kidney function. Its natural diuretic effect promotes better urine flow, which is essential for flushing out toxins efficiently. Eating raw radish in salads, adding it to soups, or drinking radish juice in moderation can deliver significant kidney cleansing benefits. For seniors over 60, radish provides a refreshing, light vegetable option that doesn't burden the digestive system. This humble root supports overall wellness while playing a key role in reducing creatinine buildup and keeping kidneys active. Ultra. Your kidneys deserve care, especially after 60 when they work harder to keep your body in balance. By including these 7 vegetables, cucumber, carrots, spinach, bottle gourd, beetroot, cabbage, and radish, you're giving your kidneys the natural support they need to lower creatinine and stay healthy. Small daily changes in your diet can make a big difference in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HealthCore Guide for more natural health tips that keep seniors strong and thriving.